Welcome back to TradeProFX. Today is another amazing video. We will be looking at the TradeProFXDbot.pages.dev. So you just want to first reduce this amount to around 20 USD so that we can do the genuine thing. And if you don't make some amount from this strategy, just comment below so that I can guide you. So let's reduce this to 20. So we have that there. So I want to show you, as I usually tell you, the best thing in Deriv trading is risk management. So this is what you do. You have 20 USD. You need to target something like 3 USD. And how do you target that? You will be using a specific stake to make your runs. So for the stake, you'll be using 1.5, and then for the martingale you use 4. So in case of a loss, there will be some recovery, at least for nearer to recover what you have lost. So we still you have already set the bot builder, so you go to and click the analysis tool, click on that arrow so that you can able to see and begin to check for the best market. So we will be looking for okay, we can see volatility 50 here. We can see that's a good entry point. So what we are looking at is the digit pair analysis. So in case the most appearing digit is the most appearing, there is a digit pair analysis. The green bar is on that pair, just at the currency pair with the green and the most appearing digit. So you can see digit 3 is the most appearing digit. So we are waiting for the digit pair analysis to be either on digit 2 or 3, where the most appearing digit there. You click run immediately. So this is what we are going. So you just have to have a good target profit, and the target profit is around 3 USD, 3.3. You already have made 15 or 16% of your capital. And that is the same way also the forex guys do. So you have a certain target profit. You can see how we are moving very well. So in case of a loss, you wait for the martingale to occur and at least recover that loss and then proceed. So we are trading under digit 8. Reason being, we can see the upper part is what is holding both the green bar and the red bar. So the opposite, if the other side was the same case, if the green bar and the red bar are on digit 7, 8 and 9, we will be trading over 2. That is the best analysis for trading using either over 2 or under 8 using this tool, because it's perfect for beginners. So this is what you do, and use two ticks analysis. So we can proceed. You can see we are only remaining with some few runs to reach at 3. Yes, 2.54. So it's very easy. You see, when I'm running anytime that that entry point has given me the chance to run the bot. So at 3.20, if you wanted, but my target was 3.3, so I'll still proceed. So yes, I know if you someone, but if someone had already reached at 3.2, could have exited, because the target profit was that 3 point something, but we must reach the 3.3, because that's the 16% that the account should be requesting. So let's proceed and see. So I'm waiting again for the next that digit pair analysis beyond digit 2 or on the 2,3 pair. So there you run again. So that's how you do it. You proceed doing the same thing. So you can see we have reached the 3.5. So I've pressed that with a mistake. Oh, back to 2.02. So okay, I've just pressed that with a mistake. So we proceed again to 3.3. We must recover that. So this is what you do as a beginner. This is what you do as a beginner, and have a set target profit. If you don't make something from this, ask, just comment below and tell me to guide you. Maybe we can do a session so that you can understand more. So you either trade over 2 or under 8, and the entry point is usually on the digit pair analysis. When the most digit appear in digit is on that, so you just look when it is at 3, you just enter when the digit 3 on the digit pair analysis has gotten. So you see I've not stopped the bot, I'm waiting for the recovery, so you stop immediately after that recovery. So we proceed with the same sequence. So anytime it gets there, you click run. So that is the concept. And remember, I'm using only 2 ticks. So to predict these, to predict the under 8, because we can see the market has changed now. So we look for the best market at least, where the green bar and the red bar are at the same row. So we can see we need to change that. So you click like there, you start the bot. We can see that is wrong, so you click again. So you stop and click again. You look for the best market, like volatility 10 is better, so we try to trade volatility 10 index. So when we click that volatility 10 index, so you set everything is all right. So we will trade let's say under 8. So that's what we will be trading. So click under 8, and then you ensure everything is set. So go to analysis first, so that we can know whether we are going to click under 8. So let's run that. You can see that is not correct, so we avoid that. So we check for the best market to trade. We check for the best market to trade. So we proceed checking the best market to trade, which has the green bar and the red bar are almost the same price, but either on a certain row. So we can see volatility 50 again. This is better, so we can set up this one. So volatility 50, and then we click under. So we go and set digit 8, and then we start scalping again using the same strategy. So we can see, let's go back to the analysis, click that arrow below, go to the volatility 50, and then click start immediately. So let's see, we can see the market has changed. You don't trade at such kind of a point, so you just avoid, stop, then change the market, check for the best market. So let's proceed. And with this manner, you will make something at the end of the trading session. So it's better you can just train using this TradeProFX.pages.dev, and try to look for only 16% of your capital. So if you have 10 USD, you need to know, or you need to know what stake you need to use. But remember this also, the target profit that you need to check should be 16%. That is mandatory, it will reach. So you can see we have done, let's put that, change the market to 100, start. Okay, this is better, so we can trade using this volatility 100. So let's proceed, go and wait for this next confidence level on the digit pair analysis to be at this point on the 2,3 pair. So let's wait, and we run and see the outcome. And guys, go try it, so you can see it's shifting. So I usually tell you the digit pair analysis is the entry point. If you don't understand, just DM for more consultation, and I will illustrate how to do it to you, maybe on a live session. So let's wait again for an entry. We are near to reaching our our target profit, which is 3.3. That's when we will end to trade. And guys, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, share, and always comment. If you have tried this, kindly comment the results of perfect. So this is an opportunity again. So let's see, a win, you stop. Then let's go back, still on the point, run the bot, a win closer to 3.3. So almost the last trade, and perfect. 3.40 USD, we have already hit our target. Profit was 3.3, and we have 3.40. So guys, go try these on your also on your demo accounts, and or if you want to trade using the real account, also do it. Come back and comment below. Tell me how you are seeing. So first try and do practice and come back and comment below.